Hello all, welcome back. This is Iterable from Trinity Software. In this video, let's see about dictionary comprehension in Python. Dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pairs. We can use dictionary comprehension to create Python dictionaries in three ways. The first way is create a dictionary from an iterable. Iterable can be a string, list or tuple. And the second way, you can create it from two iterables, and the third way is create it from an existing dictionary by applying certain condition. So this is the syntax for dictionary comprehension. Within curly brackets, key colon value for variable or variables in iterable. Now let's create a Python dictionary from a single iterable. I will do it with a string, list, and then using a range function, because range function also returns an iterable. So create a dictionary from a string, name it as ASCII dictionary because it is going to hold a character and the corresponding ASCII value equal to, if x is the character and body of x function. This will give you the ASCII value of the given character for x in string Python. So we'll check the key is p and the corresponding ASCII value is the value. Fine. Next we can create a dictionary from a list. Import random module and I'll create a list called names with 5 names. Now I'm going to create a dictionary called as mark dictionary, which will allot marks for this 5 persons randomly. Marks underscore dict. The key is the variable I and the value I'm going to use randint function of random model 4200. It will randomly pick a value from 4200 and for I in list names. Marks dict is created. Now let's check what it contains. The name of the person and their marks. Next, create a dictionary from range function. Let me import another module called math. Just going to create a fact dictionary which holds the number and their corresponding factorial value. So fact underscore dict, key is the number and math dot factorial of I for I in range from 1 to 8. So I'll give 9. Let's check fact underscore dict. So the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are the keys and these values are the factorial numbers of the corresponding keys. So that's it with the first category, that is creating a dictionary from single iterable. Now let's create a Python dictionary from two iterables. We will make use of this names list. Let me create another list called ages. We'll have ages for 5 persons. Now create an age dictionary. The key will be the name and the value will be the age. So age underscore dict, key colon value for I comma j in zip function. It takes 2 arguments, names list as well as the ages list. So once we have zipped them together, that will be available as tuples. Then loop through this iterator of tuples to get the new key value pairs for our dictionary. Okay. Age underscore dict, the name and then corresponding age. Fine. The third category is create a Python dictionary from an existing dictionary by applying certain condition. This is the syntax for creating a dictionary from an existing dictionary. The new dictionary name, the new key value pairs for the key value in dict.items. So this dict is the existing dictionary and we can apply certain condition by giving if condition. So let me make use of marks dictionary which we have already created. I just want to have the key value pairs where the marks is greater than 70. So we have to create a new dictionary where key, Carol and E will not exist. Let's create a new dictionary DC1 k colon B for k comma value in this dictionary marks dict dot items method and the condition is that marks should be greater than 70. So what is present in DC1 now? The other two key value pairs have been removed from DC1. Similarly, we can have another example with age dict. We have already created age dict, which contains the ages of these persons. Now I am going to classify these persons as adult or child based on their age. We'll create a new dictionary DC2 key, and for the value I am going to mention the condition. If the age is greater than or equal to 18, then the person is considered as adult, else child. So I'll use a ternary operator here, adult, if the condition is true, if we greater than or equal to 18, or else that person is child. That is the value for the new dictionary. Take key and value from age dict using age dict dot items method. Okay, so DC2 contains these elements. That's it about dictionary comprehension. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe for more interesting videos.